What's up? You want me to get what? How'd you know that's what I was gonna do? That's exactly what I wanted to do. Yeah, I wanted to get this out because I need help from our friends. Yeah, the people who are watching this video right now. I'm gonna need their help. Hey, what's going on, guys? So, like I said in my my last video, I've been kind of out of the cube scene for a little bit, and so what I did was I went through all my cubes, and I was trying to see what cubes I use and what cubes I don't use, and so I cleaned out this whole box. Now I only have just a few empty boxes. Just kind of reorganizing everything, and these are the cubes that I want to put on display in my new office that we have here once we get shelves and everything. So right now they're in a bin, but my problem is that I don't know the names of some of the cubes, and I need your help. Alright, so we have a light. I don't need the name of that one, or a mug. This my sister made out of perler beads. I think this is called a flip it or flop it or something. It'll be just a fun toy to play with. Alright, so here's number 1. I'm sure I can look it up. It looks like a gear cube of some sort, but I'm sure there's different types of gear cubes. So, number 1.
Hey, look.
Oh, that's a world's smallest Rubik's Cube.
I can't eat that.
Is that really cool? Yeah, Daddy's gonna keep it in the package, okay? We gotta make sure we don't mess that up, okay? Alright. What, like a 2x2 Mega Minx, maybe?
Something like that.
Alright, number 2. We have 3x3. Probably just a regular, it's not really a mirror cube. We'll say this is number 3. A 3x3 colored mirror cube. I'm not really sure. And here's my 3x3 mirror cube. What? Oh no. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh no. I don't know the name of this one, but it's some sort of puzzle. We'll say this is number 4. Just a minute. I was trying to keep this all in the box, so now I have to go through and figure out how this all fits in a box.
Jeez.
So
Good luck with that.
Thank you for making another project for Daddy. Okay. Okay, let's go back through here. Oh, look at this one. What is this? A Rubik's Bear? Is there an official name for this one? We'll say this is number 5. Whoa. Yeah, we gotta be really careful with some of these. They fall apart very easily. Okay. Number 6. Whoa, that's a big one, Jonah. It's like...
This?
Number 7.
Found it.
Wow, you did find it. You want to go play with this one?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, you can play with it right... Yeah, right here. No, on the ground right here.
Oh.
There you go. Number 8, which I believe is the exact same as this one, but we'll just say it's number 8. This is called the Void Cube, so we're good on that one. Just a 4x4. Here's a 6x6, another 3x3, 2x2. I need help with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 9. This one actually is falling apart, and all the pieces were scattered, and so I just put them back together. It's not even back together correctly. Here's a light. That's a USB radio light.
That's pretty cool.
Okay, number 10. Number 11. This one is very similar to this one, but it's just like one size or one layer bigger.
Yeah.
So number 11.
See?
Wow, good job.
Bless you.
COVID.
Oh, jeez.
Look.
Hey, you know what this one is?
Yeah, I do.
Which one is it? Do you remember?
Is it the Ivy Cube?
Yeah. You did a tutorial on this one.
Yep.
Daddy.
Link
Look.
below. Just kidding.
Look.
What? Wow.
Good job.
Can you take all the pieces out?
Uh-huh.
Okay, here's another 4x4. The pyramid.
Ew.
Another Mega Minx. I have one over there that I have the script done for if you want to show them right there. Script is completed. I just have to film the video. Sorry.
He's working on it though.
Yeah. What is this? Little Rubik snake?
Gosh.
So yeah, we'll just throw that in there for fun. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Number 12. So here's another gear cube. Uh, 5x5. This will be number 14. I don't know how this one turns. I feel like I solved this one before too, and
I think you did, but
it's been years though.
yeah, it's been a long time.
Another clear 3x3. Wait, where's it at? Oh,
Look.
Oh, cool.
wow. X Mars robotic cube. Okay, so here's a smaller version of the other one. This will be 6, 12, 13, 14, number 15. This is a cage for...
The toy Jonah's playing with.
This was one of my very first 3x3s. I didn't have a white one. My buddy that I was working with at the call center in Arizona had, I believe, this one. I'm pretty sure it was this exact cube, and I really wanted a white one, so I traded to him my black one for this one. I don't know the name of this one either. It's just a 3x3. Not really sure what the purpose of it is. But maybe you could tell me what the purpose is for this too. And what, another 2x2 Mega Minx maybe? It's the same as this one, just different colors. But I'll throw this in there as well as number 17. Jonah, can you squeeze this one?
Is it soft?
Oh.
Oh,
like
that one's cool.
Little fidget spinner cube.
Look.
This will be number 18. A little baggie.
Hey, so, is that?
You want to play with that?
Okay.
Okay. And another 2x2. So it looks like we have 18 cubes that I need official names for. If you could help me out here. All right. And the last thing in my box is Mastering Rubik's Cube, the solution to the 20th century's most amazing puzzle by Dawn Taylor. I don't know where I even got this.
I think your mom gave it
My
to you
mom
or
had
something.
it in some
Yeah.
collection somewhere.
Something like that.
So you guys want to take a look at the cubes that I do not want to put on display?
Sure.
All right. My sister actually saw this on the marketplace. It had like 5 different cubes in it, which were these and a few other ones. I think it was the gear cubes as well. It was inside the packet during the whole COVID thing, and so I remember going with a mask on and like buying this whole case, and then like coming home and sanitizing everything.
Yep.
All right, let's see what's in here. All right, do you want to open it up?
Yeah.
And 1, 2, 3. All right, so we just have another 4x4, just another 3x3. Pretty much just redundant ones. I believe that's another Ivy cube with
Oh, I said it off.
yeah,
What?
another Ivy cube with some crazy eyeballs. I think this is my first cube that I was telling, like one of the first ones.
Yep. That's
And,
why it's
I just
faded.
all the stickers got worn off.
Yep.
I said
And then just
it
2 cubes
off.
that are
Hey, that
in the
it
box.
off.
Oh, and a cube or
An egg.
Hey,
That was in your loot crate box.
off.
that's right. Sorry, I can't concentrate with.
Oh, geez. Little boy destroying it.
That deep one.
So yeah. Oh, thank you. You cleaning up? All right, thank you very much. I'm not gonna do it today, but you see these 2 boxes right here? The 2 white boxes?
Yeah.
Well, inside of there, a very special guy sent me his collection. That's just half of his collection.
Jeez.
And, but yeah, that'll be more of a special story
Yes.
coming on later on.
Definitely.
But yeah, for this video today, I just need help with these. Just naming these 18 cubes right here and in puzzles. And if you guys like these videos, please subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. And we just thank you very much for watching. Hey, you want to say thank you?
You.
Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching, and we shall see you next time. Bye-bye. What?
Hey. Oh.